today we talk about how can you enable chat request notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, you click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on manage notifications. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you come here to chat requests and you click in this sign here. So like you see this color show for us, that's me chat request notifications enable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.